Hello, my name is Kui-hwa Park from Chong University. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present at the October 2024 Domestic and International Integration Conference held by the Future Convergence Technology Research Society. Today, my research topic is the impact of digital convergence technology on the logistic value chain. As you can see, the order of presentation of this study consists of 6 agendas. First is an overview. The second, introduction. The third and fourth are the summary of the previous research, respectively, about the digital convergence technology and logistic business model and the logistic service provider value chain. The fifth is the central content of this study, impact of digital convergence technology on the value chain of logistic companies. We have found that organization cases so far analyze the impact on the value chain of the logistic companies and summarize the implications. Lastly, we presented the logistic company's response plan, limitation of the research, and the future research areas. This study is organized into a single slide, organized by the background of the study, purpose of the study, method, and the result of the study. The background of the research is new competitiveness of a business model are emerging in the logistics industry by the digital convergence technologies and the emergence of online transportation platforms such as Uber, Freight, and Amazon, which is the existing major customer, is emerging as a competitor by expanding his logistics functions. As an automaker that used to provide the transport vehicle expanded their business with the mobility services. The existing logistic company's value chain could not create added value. However, academic research in this field is inadequate, insufficient, and rather efforts are being prepared by based on the practical research by DHL. Therefore, the purpose of this study is presenting the future business direction for logistics companies through the analyzing impact of the introduction of digital convergence technology on the existing logistics value chain. The methodology for carrying out this study is the initial and the limitation cases in which digital convergence technology is applied to the logistics field. But first, theoretical through literature review and the finding organize the application case of digital convergence technology. The impact on logistic value chain is investigated. The analysis process is applied. As a result of this study, we discovered the 3 impacts of digital convergence technology on the logistic value chain. We summarized the 3 directions of a logistic company to respond to these changes. The impact of digital convergence technology in the logistics value chain is what digital convergence technology is the most often applied to the local delivery transportation value chains and other industry companies such as shipper, for example, shipper are leading rather than logistic companies. To the second, the logistic managed value chain, which is a unique task of a logistic company, is being replaced by the platform companies such as Uber Freight. And then 3, the logistic value chain, logistic value at this area is still less affected by the digital convergence technology, and the logistic company need to maintain their competitiveness. This study presents for the respond to the change of logistics companies. One is the introduction of digital convergence technology to secure customer experience of logistics companies. Two, application of a platform technology for horizontal operations. Three, construction of a customized logistics service model in cloud environment as a future countermeasure for the logistics companies. This is the introduction of this study. The background of the purpose of the study was described of previous, and the composition of this study consists of a summary of previous study, case study, and analysis, implication, and the conclusions. The study of digital convergence technology definition and the technology introduction was introduced in the World Economic Forum in January 2016 as technology is affect the future industries. Mobile, cloud, big data, IoT, robot, autonomous driving technology, AI, biotechnology, and the 3D printing was presented. It was also featured in Gartner's 2020 Strategic Technology Trend. These technologies also create new business models. The best report on digital convergence technology and the logistics business is DHL's Logistic Trend Radar report. In the 2016 report, technology to be realized within 5 years and the technology realized after 5 years were presented. And as is shown in the figure in the 2018 report, AI low cost sense technology, AR, augmented reality, blockchain, next generation wireless communication, unmanned drones were added. Existing study on digital convergence technology, logistic function, and logistic business model has been concluded in various ways and are presented in the table. Existing study on the business model and the value chain of a logistic company varies from the definition of a LSP, logistics service provider, but in general, existing study defined the company that previously provided transportation and additional services to other companies or individuals. The logistics company is also called a 3PL, and the study that divided the business model into 4 business models according to the service type and the service range is presented as shown in the figure. I compared the logistics provided by service model and detailed value chains. Specific value chain activities can be seen as shown in the table on the slide. The digital convergence technology applied to logistics is attracting attention as an alternative to the difficulty of securing human resources for logistics, and is contributing to cost reduction through efficiency. The applied cases are summarized in the table. In the case analysis, practical application cases and the effect of digital convergence technology are summarized. Autonomous driving technology applied to be the most innovative change in the transportation field, and there are drones that have emerging as a new mode of transport. Robot introducing the warehouse automation, AI to replace the human decision-making, and the big data technologies. Cloud technology that support the open environment of the internet. Blockchain technology that support a new and reliable environment. IoT that connect the information, AR technology, and the 3D printing technology are being applied in the logistics field. Various studies have been conducted on the cases where digital convergence technology is applied to the logistics, but rather than from a value chain perspective. It has been conducted from a comprehensive perspective, such as the logistic industry and the logistic performance with the digital technology. Autonomous driving technology, robot drones, and 3D printing technology will create a new physical process change in logistics, impacting the value chain of logistic companies. These changes are at risk to existing logistic companies' transport warehouse value chains. Companies from other industries such as Amazon, Google, Time Venture, and Uber are showing more interest in technological progress than logistic companies such as FedEx, UPS, and DHL. Considering these applied cases, it can be summarized into 5 categories. Collecting information and sharing information between organizations impact the value chain of the logistic companies. The digital convergence technology related to this field are IoT and blockchain technology. IoT technology also provide differentiation use services such as cold chain to logistic company through real-time monitoring. However, huge storage service like Amazon Locker can be seen as a huge challenge for existing logistic companies. Blockchain technology also brings a huge safety and efficiency to the complex international transportation field. These IoT and blockchain technology enable to the connection of an entire supply chain and enable transactions tracking, approval, and forgery prevention. Big data technology and AI technology are emerging as a technology that support people's unique decision-making in logistics business. Big data technology support the transportation and the delivery optimization using various structured and unstructured information and used for predicted delivery and the creation of new business opportunities. Artificial intelligence technology is used for preventing maintenance of the logistics facility and the maintenance, avoidance of supply chain risk crisis, logistic automation efficiency, and the cargo volume forecasting. An example of applied big data technology is delivery optimization by logistic companies such as DHL and UPS. It is being used to develop new business models using Musk's ship sense data and to improve inventory efficiency of distributors and manufacturers. In the case of the application of AI technology, this is an opportunity and a threat to logistics company. And it can be seen that companies in other industries are using artificial intelligence technology more and more. This could pose a future threat to the logistic companies. AR technology is representative technology that support the interaction of human and machines. It is to express the organize the surroundings environment and the virtual object of augmented reality technology. An example applied to logistics is Google Glasses. used for DHL warehouse business, which are affecting the work efficiencies. However, Google Glass will be used temporarily until the warehouse business is replaced by the robot. The technology that enables information sharing as a service provision platform is cloud computing technology. It can provide a logistics platform that provides the IT asset and services through the internet. It can be divided into a logistics service providing platform and the logistics service shipper platform. The logistics service providing platform include the logistics marketplace platform that emulates shipper and the logistics companies. Car manufacturers platform also enable the efficient transport tracking management. The logistics service shipper platform include the logistic idle resource sharing platform and the sharing economy platform. The logistics sharing economy platform is influencing the local delivery value chain. Logistic management and customer management could also be replaced by the platform functions. Platform component that can be replaced the existing logistic company will emerge in the logistic industry, as well as a representative platform company in other industries such as Facebook, eBay, and Amazon. For application cases, 28 logistic companies and 60 other industry companies were analyzed when 10 digital convergence technologies were applied to the logistic value chains. One of the 74 cases were analyzed. Cloud technology was the most common digital convergence technology, and this seems to be due to the emergence of a logistics startup that provide platform services in the internet and the mobile environments. The area where digital convergence technology has been applied most are local freight delivery, regional transport management, on-demand service, and regional warehouse value chain. As a result of the case analysis, 3 implications were presented. First, the field where digital convergence technology applied to the logistic value chain is local transportation and delivery. Second, changes are seen in the value chain related to the logistic management, which is the unique task of existing logistic companies. Third, in the area of logistic value chain value-added service, there are few cases of digital convergence technology application, and it seems it is seen as a value chain that is not easy to access by other industry companies. In conclusion, the preparation of the logistic company and the future preparation plan were presented. As seen in the application case analysis, the advance of digital convergence technology may lose competitiveness in many value chains of the existing logistic companies and will be replaced by the other industry companies. To prepare for this, 4 alternatives were suggested. First, logistic company should often access digital convergence technology in order to secure the most important customer experience in the post-industry revolution, as the need of a shipper are changing, not to cost, but also to customize the services. Second, it is necessary to respond to the platform technology applied to the sharing economy by expanding horizontal cooperation through the sharing asset and infrastructure, as well as transportation storage space between customer logistics companies. Third, logistics companies also need to build a customized logistics service system in response to the challenge of online logistics platform companies by establishing cloud environment that provide better solutions and services. Fourth, digital convergence technology, for example, 3D printing, should be applied to existing logistic facilities or transportation means to introduce new value chains and develop it into a new business model. Limitation of this study and the future study was needed, since the application of digital convergence technology in the logistics field is in the early stage, infancy stage. Further empirical research is needed in the future. In addition, further study on the detailed analysis of the individual digital convergence technology application cases and the duration between the detailed platform and the logistic value chains are expected. Thank you for listening to the presentation of this study so far. If you have any further questions in the future, please send them to my email and I will respond. Thank you very much.